All right, we're getting on the Allure of the Seas in Galveston, Texas. Well, there we go. There's our ship. Well, if you want to get your picture made, here's where you stop and get your picture made when you get on the ship. Here we go. Here we are. Going to come in on the Royal Promenade. I'll walk out here and get a look at it. Well, they're ready for the big balloon drop with the Royal Promenade. So, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out my other cruise videos. Until next time, happy cruising.